Hey, welcome back to another lesson of today, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys three scales, okay? Three minor scales, three harmonic minor scales that you're going to start learning. Okay, I should say different scales, okay? Minor scales you should start practicing, okay, as a beginner or intermediate guitarist. These three scales are going to help you in your improvisation. I'm going to make sure that you sound good whenever you're improvising, okay? So I'm still going to make a video on how you can use the scale into your jazz playing, improvisation, whatever you want to improvise on, okay? Whatever video you want to solo on, okay? I'm going to make the lesson on how you can use the scale, okay? So make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, and make sure you watch till the number 3, because the number 3 is the most awesome and vital scale I wish every one of you gonna learn, okay? So before then, if you know that the first time you come across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any time I upload a new video like this, okay? If you like the video, do well to smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, do well to hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. And if you want to join my online class, my WhatsApp class, do well to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you, okay? All right, let's move straight to the video. Okay, so we'll be doing the lesson, the key of G. There's a key of G. So like I always say, make sure you practice your major scale in different extension, different inversion over the fretboard, so you can also have a very good insight on how to play your scales and your solo in different shape, okay? So the number 1 scale is what we call the natural minor scale. And I know many of you have been seeing that, many of you have been hearing about natural minor scale. So we want to use the key of G as a subject key, okay? But you can play that in every other keys, the same way, the same shape, okay? The same note. So this is the key of G. So the natural minor scale is a Do, Re, Mo, Va, So, Si, Do, Do, okay? Do, Re, Mo, Va, So, Si, Do, Do, Si, So, Va, Mo, Re, Do. That is in the number system. You can just say that is a 1, 2, the flat third, the 4th, the 5th, the sharp 5th, okay? The sharp 5th, the flat 7, and the 1 again, okay? So that is the natural. So you can extend that, okay, by playing the same note horizontal like this. This is Do, Do, Do. That's a G minor natural minor scale, okay? The G natural minor scale, okay? So that's the number 1. The number 2 goes like this. The number 2 is the harmonic minor scale. I believe you have been hearing that kind of scale, the harmonic minor scale. So this is how it looks like and how it sounds. It's just a similar of some different, different note there. So this is Do, Re, Mo, So, Si, Do, Si, Do, Do, Si, So, Va, Mo, Re, Do. I believe you might be hearing a whole lot of guitarists use scales like that in their improvisation. So for today, I want you to start learning that. And when you're learning it, make sure you learn it on different shape in the guitar fretboard, so you can be able to flow when you are using it into your improvisation, okay? So we go again. The same shape, Do, Re. The first one was natural minor. It's just this Do, While this harmonic minor, harmonic minor is T do. Okay. Okay, so that's the second scale I want you to start learning. The third one and the most beautiful one is what we call the melodic scale, the melodic minor scale, melodic minor scale. Now, like I said earlier, you can play these scales in any key you find yourself, in any position, okay? All you have to do is to know the right note that made up these scales. Know the right note that made up the scale, okay? So still on key of G, we still use the key of G as the preference subject key. So the melodic minor scale is like this. Do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, you see the difference now. It's just the la, ti, do. Those ones that were do, z. Okay, now this one doesn't have a sharp 5. It has a natural 6. It has a natural 6 there. Okay, so we have do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You can play like la, ti, do. Okay. Now you can play horizontal down. Okay. So that's it. So in my next lesson, I'm going to teach you how you can apply this scale into playing whether gospel song or reggae or any song you might find yourself. I'm going to teach you how you can bring in this, especially in minor keys, in minor chords, okay, to sound better and sounds good, okay? So for today, make sure you practice the scale perfectly. In my next lesson, we're going to learn how to do that, okay?